World's first study finds fourth COVID booster shot unimpressive. Due to Omicron, many countries are looking into the fourth dose of COVID-19 vaccines. But is it effective against this fast-hitting variant? According to a recent trial, the fourth dose didn't impress investigators. Last month in Israel, the Sheba Medical Center launched the world's first study to assess the efficacy of a fourth COVID-19 vaccine shot. This dose is also known as the second booster, which other nations are eyeing because of Omicron. Investigators analyzed the data and found good and bad news, but nothing indicated the shot was useless. The vaccine, which was very effective against the previous strains, is less effective against the Omicron strain, said lead researcher Prof. Gili Regev Yochai, as per the Times of Israel. So what are the specifics of the findings? The fourth shot did work, albeit not as anticipated. First, the antibody levels from participants have increased substantially, higher than from the third dose. However, that much increase failed to protect many individuals who received the fourth shot. The difference in Omicron cases between the subject and control groups was small. In the end, the fourth dose showed power against Alpha and Delta variants. Yet, not good enough versus Omicron. Does it mean we should scrap the fourth dose? The study is just one of many heading our way, and based on what they found, the fourth dose doesn't need to be mandatory for most people, though should be considered for people with a higher risk of severe COVID-19. People with chronic conditions, compromised immune systems, and advanced age may be the best suited for the fourth jab. On January 11, the World Health Organization disagreed with the global push of the fourth dose. The WHO said that repeated booster doses are unlikely to be appropriate or sustainable. This is true if you count every dose available in each nation. Sadly, vaccines are abundant in rich countries while proper countries wait for their turn. To make matters worse, reports claim that some poor nations are receiving doses close to expiration. That won't do any good considering logistics are challenging almost everywhere. Besides, repeated boosters in a short period may be risky for everyone. Boosters can be done once or maybe twice, but it's not something that we can think should be repeated constantly, said EMA head of vaccine strategy Marco Cavalieri, as per the Quint. The most optimal administration of vaccine boosters is annually, like the flu shot. Moderna is now working on a COVID flu RSV booster, but it won't be ready until late next year. What's your reaction to the world's first study of the fourth dose? Do you agree that boosters should only be given once or twice a year? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.
Thank you.